Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the new upcoming Galaxy S21 Ultra unboxing experience, because recently I get this video, and in this video I am going to talk about how's the Samsung change compared to before. So before, the Samsung provide all the kind of accessories inside the box, but like a charger, headphone, USB type cable converter. Sometimes they also provide the case with it, but for the Galaxy S21 Ultra they might be changed this and following the Apple as what they are doing currently. So now they are going to stop providing you an extra accessories with it. You just get a quick start guide, USB type C cable converter, and the ejection tool. That's it. So one argument Samsung might make that they are doing for the environment, but honestly it's because they wanted to sell their own accessories like a Galaxy earbud and the wireless charger and something like that, right? So it's not all that bad, because if you are the pre-order Galaxy S21 Ultra right now, then you might get the free Galaxy Bud Pro and Galaxy Smart Tag with it. So it's not all bad, it's just a business purpose they are doing, I feel like. Anyway, we know about this that Samsung might do something like what Apple is currently doing, so that's fine with it, because the most of the people currently have the wireless charger available to them, right? So it's fine. Other than that, there is one thing that I just wanted to mention, like in future you don't get an external SD card slot inside the new Galaxy S21 Ultra, because they also wanted to cheap out on that and just remove that. Many people might not like the removal of an external SD card slot, so that's why the Samsung are providing the higher storage option, like 128 GB minimum and it go to the 512 gigs. So definitely we have an option. One thing I wanted to mention, the Samsung also keeping its Ultra lineup, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. With that you get 512 gigs of the memory with that. So other than that, some marketing material also suggests that all the phones are going to be a 5G, and also all the phone is an IP68 water resistance, so you don't need to worry about that also. So all phone also come up with the wireless charging and also a reverse wireless charging. Also they are improving the camera side with the night mode option, so they are having better camera for sure for the people who want to have an experience like the Galaxy Note lineup, right? So they are coming up with the new case that can hold the S Pen easily, so you can use it easily, and it's you can take it with around you. So it's very good thing to have that option also, so I like that. This is all the stuff that I wanted to share with you guys regarding the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. Hope you guys like this. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you. Bye. Take care.